Isinagawa ng Army Artillery Regiment, Philippine Army sa Fort Magsaysay, Nueva Ecija ang Chains of Command Ceremony kahapon, August 22, 2024, kung saan formal nang bumaba sa pwesto si Brigadier General Francis Anthony M. Coronel bilang commander ng regiment. Humalili sa kanyang pwesto si Colonel Hubert S. Asierto bilang 10th Regiment Commander ng AAR na dating Deputy Regiment Commander. Itinalaga naman bilang bagong Deputy Chief of Staff for Financial Management ng Armed Forces of the Philippines si Brigadier General Coronel kapalit ni Major General Rolando Nerona. Sa nasabing aktibidad ay nagpaalam at nagpasalamat si Coronel sa kanyang mga nakasama sa AAR bago binasa ang kanyang relinquishment orders. Pinangunahan ni Lieutenant General Roy M. Galido, Commanding General ng Philippine Army, ng nasabing turnover of command ceremony at nagbigay ng mensahe kina outgoing at incoming regiment commander hinggil sa kakaharaping tungkulin at hamon sa kanilang bagong assignment.
Will be dependent on how you will be able to influence. Kasi sa JHU level, you will be dealing with other major services with a different mindset. Napakahirap. Pero sa galing mo, katulad ng ginawa mo dito, kaya mo yan. So palakpakan natin po. Let us cheer General Coronel to do his best in JHU, just like what he did here in the Artillery Regiment. To Hubert, I gave you my specific instruction. We are already there. We have very expensive platforms, and the only way for us to sustain this is to be truthful to our sustainment concept. Because if not, if we do not redirect our resources to how to sustain these very expensive and very important platforms, all of this will just be for parade purposes. You have a bigger task ahead.
Dinaluhan ang nasabing aktibidad ng pamilya ng incoming at outgoing regiment commander, mga kaibigan, kaklase, stakeholder, at mga battalion commander at mga dating nanungkulan sa AAR. Sumuporta rin si Major General Andrew Costello ng 7th ID at mga pinuno ng Army units sa Fort Magsaysay. Para sa Balitang Nueva Ecija, Juanet Bonda nag-uulat sa DWNE Teleradyo ang inyong kakampi.